In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your X account private. This is really useful if you want more control over who sees your posts and videos and who can interact with your content. I'll walk you through each screen so you can follow along on your own device. First, open your browser or the X app and head to your home dashboard. This is the main feed where you normally see posts from people you follow. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to make private. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the navigation menu. In that column, you'll see several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and so on. Near the bottom of that list, you'll find an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This opens up an extended menu with additional settings and tools. From that expanded menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you manage how your account works, what information is visible, and your security options. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, focus on the menu on the left. Look for the section called Privacy and Safety and click on it. This area controls who can see your activity, how people can contact you, and how your content is handled on the platform. Inside Privacy and Safety, find and select the option labeled Audience, Media, and Tagging. This section is specifically about who can see your posts and how your media is treated. On the Audience, Media and Tagging page, you'll see a checkbox next to Protect Your Posts. If your account is currently public, this box will be unchecked. Click on that unchecked box to turn it on. This change means that only people who follow you and that you approve will be able to see your posts. When you click the box, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you really want to protect your posts. Click on Protect to confirm. After you do this, new followers will need your approval, and your existing posts will only be visible to your approved followers. While you're still on this page, look for another option labeled Protect Your Videos. There will be another unchecked box next to it. Click this box as well. This ensures that your videos are also restricted to your approved followers, matching the privacy level of your regular posts. And that's it. Your X account is now private, and both your posts and your videos are protected from public view.